so I don't like out of could.
Oh damn, look at that teeth.
They got big sharp teeth, don't they?
Yeah, he's up under it. He's on your front axle.
Ah, little bag.
Come on. Get out of there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hope I'm not hurting anything.
I don't know. All he's doing is biting the hell out of it.
You're going for a ride.
Get out, bitch.
I wonder why he won't get out.
He's right up under the front tire on your side. Come on.
Yeah, there's no opening on this side.
Yeah. Well, you got two tackers after a groundhog in the engine bay.
That's crazy. Were you going to drive to school?
Yeah. It'd have been pretty crazy to hear a big yelp.
Yeah, something hitting them or getting too hot in there. You got to get out, buddy. They're leaving. You got to get to school. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, I'm getting you. Come on. Get out.
He's probably pissed off, unbelievable.
Out, out, out. Get out.
Move your ass.
Crazy thing.
Can you get around his neck?
I was trying to.
Oh, he's
Get
moving.
over there.
He's moving.
Whoa.
Don't come back over here.
God almighty.
Watch him jump out and bite somebody.
He's tearing this thing up. Better put this away.